morning, I'm Sue and welcome to Bits and Pieces week 9. So we are now in the third series of blocks, and you'll see that you got quite a lot of wool this month, so keep all those scraps because we're going to be using a lot of them coming up in the future months. So keep them all together. Don't forget to mark the colors. We're going to be working with cloud, with polar mist and spring grass this week. So you will be cutting triangles and then this shape here. So I think the best thing to do is to make freezer paper templates of both of these shapes. Now you'll see if you look at your diagram that the seam allowance is added on the side of the triangle, but you need to add it on both sides like that. And then you also need to add it to the both sides of this shape like this. And so you will cut 2 of each shape for 1 block. Okay, so once you've cut it out, you're going to sew these together. So this would be at an angle, and so you're going to sew this along here like that, and you'll notice that these little sections are going to overlap on the corners, which is right, so that when you pull this back, then you will have a rectangle. Okay, so that you will do 2 of those for each block. So you can see what we did here. We had a little bit of fun of how to organize them. So this one, both blues are together like that. This one is turned, and this one is also turned. So you can have fun placing your blocks in whichever order you would like. So you'll sew these 2 together, another 2, and then you will sew the 2 together like this. Remember to press your seams open. Give them lots of steam, and if you don't have a back stitch at the ends here, make sure that you do a little tacking stitch so that they don't come undone. What I used this month, or this week, were hexagons again. So I drew a 3-inch hexagon on here, 3 1.5-inch hexagons on here. This was a 2.5-inch hexagon and a 2-inch hexagon, and I stitched with this one, which is EZM 74. So I liked it because it changed from sort of a peachy color into a blue color and gave a very soft sort of outline of stitches on these blocks. So those are pretty easy. I hope you have fun with these blocks, and see you back for week 10. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and also don't forget to join our Facebook group for Bits and Pieces. There's some really fun blocks being created on that, so you'll get some different ideas to what I'm doing.